Hello. In this video, you will learn how to demonstrate a screen, program window, or browser tab in the Proficonf conference room. To demonstrate a screen during an event, go to the Share section. Select Screen Sharing. Select your entire screen in the pop-up window. To display the whole screen, click below on the screen window that you want to demonstrate, and the button Share. In the conference room on a gray background, the message, Local Screen is hidden, appears in order to avoid recursion. Other participants will see everything you show in real time. You can minimize the browser window to display the desktop. Open the program window or go to the browser tab you want to show. Note, as long as you are outside the conference room and display another window or browser tab, you will not be able to see the conference room interface on the same screen, corresponding to other participants, webcam video and chat window. You can also show the program window or browser tab. To demonstrate the program window, open the program you want to demonstrate. Without closing it, go to the Share section, select Screen Sharing, select Program Window in the pop-up window, and click Share. To display a browser tab, go to the Share section, select Screen Sharing, select Browser tab in the pop-up window. In the menu, select the browser tab you want to demonstrate and click Share. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.